Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get verified on OnlyFans easily. I logged into my account and I will just tab on this plus icon which is center bottom and click to post, and it will say complete your account verification. I just tab on this account verification and again tab to this complete verification. It requires some documents from me, so I will just tap to confirm for the next procedure. So after this loading, it says please wait and important information. So here is the terms and condition, you can read it carefully, and I just tap on agree and choose a document and start verification. You can choose passport, identity card and driver license. So I will just tap on identity card of mine to prove my document. So here you can just capture a picture front and back and just tap to send it. After 24 hours it will be notify you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.